Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about the selected speed lock. The switch has a button mounted into the trigger that can be rotated to vary the blade strokes per minute. So when you push the trigger in, it'll only be allowed to go one speed. The first thing that you need to do is rotate this knob until it goes all the way to the plus sign. This will tell it to have the maximum speed. Next, we need to fully depress the trigger and hit this lock switch down here. This is going to leave that trigger in the on position. Next, you want to rotate the lever towards the minus sign. This is going to slow the speed down. Once you have it set where you want, go ahead and pull that trigger to undo the lock and to turn it off. Now when I depress the trigger switch all the way, it doesn't go very fast.